Awesome. Anyone gonna do my makeup or what?
No makeup, sir. You're all natural.
No pat downs?
It's natural.
What kind of podcast is this?
That's the way we're gonna start it.
Yeah, great. Fantastic.
Just like I did.
Yeah. Hey, Maker fam. This is John from MakerFlo. Ever wonder how we started our business in our garage and then went to servicing over 50,000 makers? Well, it's time to spill the glitter.
We're launching something new, our very first podcast, The Story of MakerFlo, Making with Purpose.
This is episode 1 of a monthly series where we pull back the curtain on our journey. We're gonna take a look at where the industry is headed and where it currently is today and how we can tackle it.
We're talking big wins and even bigger lessons and all the great moments in between. Just like the time that Gerber thought that Mark and I were in a relationship. Spoiler alert, we aren't.
Each month, we'll have some engaging conversations, keep up with the evolving industry, and be as real as possible.
Episode 1 drops soon, so grab your tumbler, hit the subscribe button, and unlike this video, nothing will be scripted. It's gonna be a great time.